You're kidding. So all I have to do now is get this nut off, for which I bought a 30mm socket. So yet another tool I'm probably not going to use again. Break it open, get the pin out. This thread and everything looks actually quite okay, so I'm actually hoping to not fight too much resistance here. And then I have the entire carrier out. Well, after I remove this again, but yeah. I'll do that and see how far I get. And that's the point when I realize I'm really stupid to start this way. Because, well, obviously this is spinning with it. So, I need a second person to step on the brakes and then hope that it helps that the other side is braking, because this side is not gonna brake right this. So, yeah. I'll continue this once I'm no longer alone and see if I can actually get this off. But since there's no locking diff in there, I probably, yeah, I have to put the caliper back on in order to get it off again. And brain. Okay, put the caliper back on where the bolt's just barely in there, but my assumption is once it clamps together, that should be holding the caliper, the rotor anyway. So yeah, then I should be getting this off, and in theory, that's it. Steering's off, control arm is off, shock is off, basically. Brake caliper comes off again, rotor comes off. Yeah, at that point I should have the entire knuckle in my hand, and I was told I should just try a normal wrench on these funny bolts, E18, and if that doesn't work, I'm gonna have a socket that fits that thing, definitely, guaranteed, probably, by Monday's today, by Wednesday. Unfortunately, couldn't get one here quicker, unless I want to buy a big fat set of all of these weird E-sockets for like multiple times what a single socket costs. I kind of don't want to. So yeah, I just ordered the one I need, and unfortunately I didn't order it last night, which meant it would have been here tomorrow, but it's gonna be on Wednesday. Oh well. But until then, still gonna try with a wrong socket of some sort, because as long as I get it off, I don't care. I would rather not kill the bolts before I get it off, but if they're unusable to get it back on, I don't care, because I have new ones. So we'll see. Guys, a quick intermission here from the future, because I lost some footage of the Astra working on it, because my old SD got died, as I maybe mentioned before or after this, I don't know. Anyway, so I removed the taillights and sent them out to somebody else, because I traded the black taillights for OEM ones. That way I don't need to get reflectors, and I got 20 euros on top of it, which I put into the light bulbs, which is something else on the car. I also tried to remove the seat belts, well, first of all, I ran into an issue on one of the bolts in the front. After that, I actually got that bolt off. I ordered a new Torx 40 bit and I got it out. And then I went onto the other side, which I realized I had to remove the seat for. Because it's on the belt buckle side, on the inside of the, next to the tunnel of armrest. And it's like against the sheet metal actually. So I had to remove that. And then I found another bolt that looked even worse than that bolt head. And to the point where the T40 spun freely inside, that's how round it was, so actually round. Yeah, I didn't feel like drilling that out, so I didn't, and I just left it as is and continued my way. Look, the Astra got mail. This box looks familiar to me because this is the box I used to ship out the taillights. So I'm gonna try to get in here, and I should have some non-blacked out, nice standard taillights that just pass TÜV and work and look normal. I don't need any reflectors and all that stuff. Come on. Also, I should have my blankets back. The blankets I used to work under the car, and the blanket, and one of them is like a painter's blanket. So, come on, let me open this. One side. Come on, how hard can it be? How hard can it be? Jesus Christ. For fuck's sake. There we go. There we go. Whoop, whoop. Hey. Would you look at that? Oh, hold on. Look at that. This should get us some nice TÜV-approved, stress-free installation and no passing. You know what I mean. I'm just blabbing on. Hold on. There you go. Open this up. And there we go. Nice. Just gotta hook it up. Get the other one out. Ignore the screaming kids. Come on, where's my other light? There we go. Nice. And yeah, the guy I traded with, he was kind of wary of the whole deal, as was I. We both kind of expected to halfway to get scammed by the other guy. But he was like, well, if he gets scammed, he loses 20 bucks. And I figured if I get scammed, I lose the tinted taillights, but I have 20 bucks to buy some of these. And in the end, I got these taillights and 20 bucks. He got tinted taillights. I might even chuck up a picture of his car just for shits and giggles. Suits his car better than this box here, and we don't need him. So it's a win-win. Okay, so let's get this installed here for the taillights, or they're gonna fall out. You're kidding. Well, I guess the Astra does the job, huh? Oh well, anyway, moving on. Taillights. Eeny, meeny, miny, move this way around now. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna finish this off. You don't need to watch me put in 4 screws, so. Look at that. Normal car again. No weird tuning shenanigans on this end anymore. Well, except for this one. But hey, nice lights. The seller or trader, he told me he checked all the lights before, light bulbs. They all work fine. So I'm gonna take his word for it. I'll test them at some point, or TÜV will test them, whatever. But it's light bulbs. That's not the end of the world. But yeah, it's one problem down. Don't need any stupid reflectors. And I made 20 bucks back that I basically put back into the car in forms of the light bulbs in the front, or whatever, many things, one of many things. Yeah, okay, back to this, once Kelly's here. And no, I don't want to put it in gear and just like torque against the gearbox. I'd rather not do that. I'd rather just like wait for somebody to step on the brakes and yeah, do it that way. And no, it's not a condom. It's an air freshener. Why ever this is packed like this. Anyway. Well, Kelly came home and I told her to step on the brake and hold the steering wheel, and as you can see, did a fine job. Wasn't fighting me too much. I think it's where the thread is a little bit marred from trying to get the stupid thing off the cap. That's where it's catching. Jesus, all the thread. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna give this a little bit of a tappy tap tap, and I can let this down. Let's see, give it a little tap and see what wants to come out. Where's my tappy tap master? There we go. Okay. Oh, look at that. Like butter. And I don't have gloves on again. Why would I? Okay, I'll do that. Okay, gloves are on. This should be coming out ideally. Now I need to turn the steering again a bit, or just undo this one. Turn this over. Need to get the control arm out again. Hold on. Sounds like a job for tappy tap tap. Come on. Left-handed tapping is just not right, is it? Come on. There we go. Tap this right out of there. Plink. And now, still holding on there on the shock. Okay. I need to get the caliper off again. And yeah, I'll be right back. And there we are. It came off really nice and smooth. The axle came out no problem. A little bit of a tappy tap, that's it. Ball joint, a little tappy tap here of the control arm. This just like one or two taps on the bottom and it popped out. These weren't even a problem, but then again, these are, I mean, I don't know how old it is. It doesn't look amazing up top. You might even be able to adjust it still if you clean it up a bit. But yeah, yeah, nice. Now to see if I can undo these three with something I have, and if not, I'm gonna wait 2 days and open them with the right tool. And then we gotta do not much more. Actually, well, hold on. I don't have that right here. Okay. I'll get the Allen key out. I'll just take this all downstairs. Well, all my tools. So, yeah, let's go. Okay, a 14mm is roughly what fits here, but I don't have a short one, only a long one, and quite tight on there, rusted on there possibly even, and there it just keeps slipping off and jumping off. So I'm probably just gonna wait for the right tool, because I don't want to break it, because I kind of need this. I really don't need much else, but kind of need the carrier. Well, maybe the heat shield, whatever, but yeah, I just need these three things off. Oh well. Well, back at this piece, today I went to the last store I didn't go to yesterday and didn't check the website for, and lo and behold, they have a generic store brand E18 socket. So, in theory, I can try to get this off now. The WD-40 also had a day to soak in, well, half a day. So, I'll try that in a second. Also, can I complain about this mechanism, this storage mechanism? You can't get this out like this. You're supposed to clip this through, like snip this through, right there. Cut through here, and then you can clip out this side. And then it's basically broken and useless. What the fuck? What is that shit? Okay, I put it in a vise to get some grip on my impossibly crammed cellar setup right now, because I had all the tools in the garage and now I don't. And anyway, the 18 and whatever. Let's go right to a breaker bar. Come on. Oh, tipping the table. Nice. Okay. Does not want it. Not like that. Okay. Let's see if I can push this way. I need to get this out of the way. Hold on. Hold on. Okay, let's try that again. For fuck's sake. Okay, let's try that again. Oh, movement. Fucking hell. Uh-oh. Fuck. That is not supposed to happen, is it? Great. Amazing. 10 out of 10. Wanna do again? Fuck. Well, might as well break some more and then just find a new carrier. A used one. Jesus Christ. Okay. You know, I need new stuff anyway, so fuck this. Well, this one wants to move. After a lot of force. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice and crusty. Yeah, get some water good in there. Yeah. Let's see if this one wants to go. Oh yeah. I guess I just started with the unlucky one, huh? Yeah, this is how it should look. This thing, yeah, just oh, oopsie. Yeah, so this one came out super easy. This one, yeah, great. That's that one. So, God, look how crusty this is. Everything here. This heat shield is completely crusty. And how far is it in there? Oh, quite far. It looks like. Do I have light? Yeah, okay, no. There's no way of getting this out, I think. Yeah, no. This isn't coming off. Yeah, you can see the bolt in there. Nice and shiny on the inside, nice and rusty on the thread. Like the entire thread, the entire hole is rusty. But anyway, there's a part number. GF 201629 and something X2, who knows. Yeah, I'll try to get a new one. Well, I have to get a new one. I'll see if I can get a used one cheap, and if not, I'll just buy a new one if I have to. But I think there should be plenty of used ones. Plenty of used ones. Yeah, great. Rusty Opels. Fuck's sake.